the rest of India.
Hashwa jongka election yeng dorbar thawaan ka jila. Umendri rang ba ka jila ubalong ru national president ka seng NPP u Conrad ke Sangma ha ka jingkren ulayathu lupaya ka jingyapya a ka seng Trinamool Congress TMC. Da ka baong babun ki MLA Shen kinsawan penyaso bat ka seng NPP bat kiwi ki seng ha ka jila. Habakren sikilat patay kubor uloong ba ka seng Congress ka balong ka Liang Pyrshah ka bahe ha ka jila. Kalapra ha ki arbenta. Badru ka TMC kan sanang pat ng parasyu.
The trust and the confidence of the people that the united opposition is not there is already making a doubt in the people's mind that whether these opposition parties can actually perform or not, because they're not united anymore. They've broken into half. Number two, after the TMC and Congress broke into half, the TMC is further breaking into another half within themselves. Many TMC MLAs are either going to join the NPP or other political parties, and that will happen soon. I don't want to talk about it now. So TMC is going to further break.